And when it comes to modern and tradition meeting together, is why we're calling this the AppleCabin of WellCam's new development in 2026. In 2026, we're going to introduce to the world this new type of model, addition to the mountain houses, the more traditional model, and the expandable camp house structure, the more modern one that we have provided for specifically fast deployment scenarios. But for the AppleCabin, it's going to be something different. We do it with our special thinking. It looks like a combination of tradition and modern. This is why you see this beautiful facade. It is using modern material, but it looks like a traditional wood plank building, and with the luxurious large-scale glasses as well, and with the modern smart lock over here. Yes, it's fingerprint scan. Coming inside, it is a feeling of tradition. Why? Because it is all wooden feeling. It is traditional for people to feel warm inside a wooden colored atmosphere. And with this cladding of the wall and the PVC tile on the floor, it feels just like walking into a private space. With this opening, you don't feel the door stopping you entering into a larger space. This is the bedroom. And with the bedroom, you can see the glass we can use either filled or unfilled, so that you can choose to protect your privacy or just to glance over the outside without any block. And this is also a nice French window, and with these settings you can see the beautiful. Even this is a modern thing. Why? Because this is the symbol of Chinese technology, a very nice classic switches you can see. And with this, the light belts. And I don't forget, if you use a different part, and I can change it over the switch of click. This is why this is a combination of tradition and modern. With the traditional feeling part, modern setup and configurations and materials, everything, it makes you feel like living in the future. Other than this area, we can also go and have a look at over these. The place is where you have your pantry or have your little kitchen cabinet. Okay, and in addition to this, we also have this one. Now this is only a prototype because we've only built it so far, but when I'm entering this, you feel like you're living into the ocean because it is all cold too. On the outside it is warm too, like wood color, but inside it is white and blue. It is cold too, makes you feel cozy. Especially with this combination coming together, it's just a different area expansion. So you feel like you're living more comfortably, and here you can have the water heater, here you can have the shower, here you can have the toilet, and even you can hang your clothes here. This is a unique design window once again. So mostly the things we do, we customize. We try to provide our thinking, our ideas to something different, something better for people. Because we're here in WellCam, and WellCam have been focusing on developing for new ideas of better things in all over the world. Because this is WellCam, and WellCam will use quality to build the world.